Eighth is verify x into y plus z equal to x into y plus x into z. And the part B is x, it is given to you minus 2 over 3, y minus 4 over 6, z minus 7 over 9. Again we take both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, put the values of x, y, z in both sides and check whether the both values are equal or not. Now put the value of x here minus 2 over 3, y minus 4 over 6 and z is minus 7 over 9. Now I simplify the bracket first of all. LCM of 6 and 9, it is 18. 6 divided 18, we will get 3. 3 4s are beta minus 12. Plus minus is minus. 9 2s are 18 and 2 7s are 14. It is minus 2 over 3. Minus minus plus. And 14 and 12, it is minus 26 over 18. Now do the cutting. 2 9s are 18 and minus minus is plus 26 and 3 9s are 27. It is 26 over 27. Now on another side, again I put the value of x, y, z. X is minus 2 over 3 and y is minus 4 over 6. Again x is minus 2 over 3 and z is minus 7 over 9. Do the cutting if it is possible. 2 3s are 6. So minus minus is plus and 1 4s are beta 4. 3 3s are 9. Minus minus again plus 2 7s are 14 and 3 9s are 27. Now again I will take the LCM of 9 and 27. It is 27. 9 divides 27 in the table of 3 and 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 27 divided by 27, 1, 14 are beta. Now do the addition of these two terms. I will get 26 over 27. Now see, both the terms are equal. So this property is verified. And the name of this property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now sum number 10 is for a 2 over 3, b 4 over 5, c minus 5 over 6, verify a b minus c equals to ab minus ac. Now again I put the values and verify whether left hand side equal to right hand side or not. Now put a here 2 over 3, b 4 over 5 and c is minus 5 over 6. Again in the right hand side I put a 2 over 3, b 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3 and c is minus 5 over 6. Now I simplify. First of all I will simplify this bracket, which is by 4 over 5 minus minus beta plus 5 over 6. Now take the LCM of 5 and 6. It is 30. 5 6 are 6 4s are 6 5s and 5 5s are. Now add these two numbers. We will get 49 over 30. Do the cutting. 2 15s are. And now do the multiplication. It is 49. 3 15s are 45. Now on another side, I simplify now right hand side. First of all, I will solve the multiplication in first two terms and then last two terms. 2 4s are beta 8, 3 5s are 15. Here the cutting is possible, so I do the cutting first of all. 2 3s are 6. Minus minus beta plus, it is 5 over 9. Now take the LCM of 15 and 9, it is 45. When 45 divided by 15, we will get 3 8s are 24. 9 5s are and 5 5s are 25. Now again do the addition. It is 49 over 45. Now you see left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is verified. Now the next sum is using suitable properties evaluate. We have minus 3 over 2 into 5 over 4 plus minus 3 over 2 into 7 over 6. You know the distributive, according to the distributive property, a into b plus c, it is a into b plus a into c. Beta here right hand side, this side is given to you. A is common. Here minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is common. So I will make use of this property. Minus 3 over 2, I will take it out common and the term left I write down inside the bracket, that is 5 over 4. Plus sign I put here and then minus 7 over 6. Now solve it. It is 5 over 4 plus minus 7 over 6. Now take the LCM of 4 and 6. It is 12. Now 12 divided by 4 3s and 3 5s are 15. 6 2s and 2 7s are beta 14. It is minus 3 over 2. 15 minus 14. 1 over 12. Now do the multiplication. It is minus 3 over 12 2s are 24. You can also do the cutting here. 3 1s and 3 8s and the answer is minus 1 over 8. Sum number 12 is using distributive property simplify it. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, and you know what is that property. It is A into B minus C. You know A into B minus A into C. Now by using this property, I multiply 3 over 4 into 8 over 9 and then 3 over 4 multiplied by 40. So we will get 3 over 4 into 8 over 9 minus 3 over 4 into 40. Now do the simplification. Do the cutting. 4 1s are beta, 4 2s are. 3 1s are and 3 3s are. We will get 2 over 3. Here 4 multiplied by 40, 4 10s are and 3 10s are beta 30 over 1. Now again take the LCM of 3 and 1. This is 3. Here in the numerator I will get 2 and 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 30, it is 90. Now 90 minus 2 plus minus is beta minus, और 90 में से 2 minus करोगे बेटा you will get minus 88 over 3. Sign we have to put of the greatest term. So this is your answer. Now the next sum is 3 3 3 1 over 3 the multiplicative inverse of 0.003? You know what is the definition of multiplicative inverse. According to this definition, when we multiply the number by its multiplicative inverse, we will always get the answer 1. So we have this number. The number is 3 1 over 3. When I multiply it with 3 into 3, you will get 999. And when I plus 1 here, we will get 1000 over 3. Now you have to check whether this is the multiplicative inverse of 0.003 or not. You multiply the both numbers now. 1000 over 3. I multiply it with 0.003. Now check the answer is 1 or not. 100 over 3 into, when I write down this number 3 over 1000. Now do the cutting. 3 cancel out with cancel. 1000 cancel out with cancel. We will get the answer 1. So it means this number is the multiplicative inverse of 0.0. So आप लिखोगे बेटा yes 3 1 over 3 is multiplicative inverse of 0.003.